Investing in Schwab money market funds can be a smart choice for those looking to earn interest while maintaining liquidity. To get started, visit Charles Schwab's website and create an account if you do not already have one. Make sure you have your personal information, bank details, and identification ready for a smooth account setup. Once your account is set up and funded, you can navigate to the investment options available. Next, search for money market funds under the investment products section on the Schwab platform. Schwab typically offers a variety of money market funds with different objectives and risk levels. Take the time to read the fund descriptions and performance metrics, paying attention to factors like expense ratios and historical returns. It is essential to choose a fund that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. After selecting a money market fund that interests you, you can proceed to make your investment. Input the amount you wish to invest and confirm the transaction. Schwab will provide you with confirmation details, and you can track your investment through your account. Remember that money market funds are generally considered low risk, but it is still important to monitor your investment and stay informed about any changes in fund management or market conditions. Lastly, consider setting a plan for your investment. While money market funds provide easy access to your cash, think about your overall financial strategy and how these funds fit into your plans. Regularly reviewing your investments and adjusting as necessary can help you achieve more significant financial goals in the long run. Always consult with a financial advisor if you are unsure or need personalized advice.